we are in the midst of a cryptocurrency crash. As we speak, Bitcoin and other digital currencies are on a roller coaster ride, but really only the part of the roller coaster that goes straight down. Take a look at Bitcoin's free fall. This is the lowest point it was at today, 25,300. Checked it a few minutes ago. We're now at about 28,000. But either way, at the height back in November of 2021, about 6 months ago, it was at $69,000. So this is about a 60% drop. WBZ's Brandon Truitt spoke to a financial expert today who says this is a good reminder: never invest more than you can afford to lose.
For many, cryptocurrency is as confusing as it is mysterious. The global digital way to pay has been around since 2009, but has taken off in recent years. Crypto, like the US dollar, consistently fluctuates in value, but it's digital and lacks the tangible bills or coins we're used to handling. There is a set supply of crypto. The more people that want to buy in, the more it goes up, and crypto has few regulations. According to Pew Research, 16% of adults in the US have invested in or traded or used cryptocurrency. At its peak, crypto was valued at over $2.2 trillion, but in the last month, it's lost nearly 40% of that value, leaving investors scrambling.
People are getting a wake-up call about risk in their retirement plans.
Larry Glazer is a managing partner at Mayflower Advisors in Boston, a guru when it comes to crypto and financial planning.
We're getting a real test of how cryptocurrencies will perform in an evolving world, and unfortunately the test is unnerving for most people.
He says crypto is a high-risk investment that is reacting to global inflation in a way no one expected. Although it might seem far off, crypto is making its way into the mainstream. Boston-based Fidelity recently announcing it would allow people to invest in crypto with their 401ks.
And just last week, Bentley University here in Waltham became one of the first colleges in the country to announce they will allow students to use crypto to pay tuition. The university says they are excited to use the technology their own students are learning about.
Glazer is asking people to educate themselves on the risks with what he calls a volatile market, a digital currency with few regulations and a lot on the line.
And the technology has evolved very quickly. It's evolved faster than the regulation, and that's part of the challenge.
Brandon Truitt, WBZ News.